Next section we are going to detail about psychology of children. According to eminent psychologist Sigmund Freud, babies are intimately driven by instinctive and selfish urges, but gradually adopt to a more realistic approach by their parents, values and rules. They play a role in the development of the child's integrity. One of the most important things that you as a parent should work on understand child's psychology. Who is child? In plural, children. A young human being below the age of full physical and mental development. Can you define child psychology? It is the scientific study of child psychology, how child thoughts, feeling and behavior are influenced by others. Child health. Child health encompasses the physical, mental, emotional and social well-being of children from infancy through adolescence. Look at this. Stages of childhood. First stage, infancy and early childhood, 0 to 5 years. Second, later childhood, 6 to 12 years. Mental development of child. First, developing curiosity and questioning attitude. Second, individuality not developed. 3, time concept is not developed. Psychology of child during infancy and early childhood, age 0 to 5. Depend on others, self-ascertain, period of make believe and fantasy, selfish and social, emotionality and stable, sexual development. Look at this picture. Psychology of the child belong to late childhood, 6 to 12 years. Craving for independency, emotional stability and control, developing social tendency, realistic attitude, formation of sentiment and complex, sexual development, development of interest and attitude. Look at this picture. Seven psychological needs of children. A healthy growth of your child need to be satisfied with certain psychological needs. First need, attention. As a child, he likes to attract the attention of his parents. When you ignore him, he will behave negatively to attract your attention. Always be attentive to your child. Second, acceptance. A child is happy when he is accepted by his parents. He knows how to behave in order to get the approval of his parents. 3. Respect. A child needs to have self-respect. When your child does not respect himself and he is not being respected, his self-esteem will be low and he feels helpless and down. Praise your child whenever he does something right to boost his self-confidence. Look at this picture. Praise your child. 4. Belonging. Everyone hopes to be part of a group. He wants to have a place in a group. If he is rejected or bypassed, it will affect his healthy development. 5. Love. The emotional support and the love of his parents stimulate the child's mental and physical growth. 6. Achievement. It is the motive of your child to learn something and to achieve successes. Provide positive reinforcement in his quest for knowledge. And friendship. It is natural for your child to make friends. Encourage your child to socialize so that he learns to get along with others in a normal and healthy situation. Mental health problems. Children who have difficulty in areas of language acquisition, cognitive development, and behavior control may be suffering from mental illness. Attention deficit hyperactive disorder, ADHD. Children have ADHD, a condition characterized by poor impulse control and excessive motor activity. Learning disabilities affect 1 in 10 school children. Depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, eating disorders, schizophrenia, obsessive compulsive disorder, also called OCD. This anxiety disorder afflicts 1 in 200 children. Autism, severe developmental disabilities that cause a child to become withdrawn and unresponsive. Mental deterioration, children under age 18 with an IQ of 70. Childhood and developmental disorders. Autism spectrum disorders, formerly Asperger's. Autistic disorder, attachment disorder, attention deficit, hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, ADD. Autism, conduct disorder, disorder of written expression, disruptive mood dysregulation disorder, encephalosis, neurosis, expressive language disorder, and mathematics disorder, mental retardation. See in intellectual disabilities. Oppositional defiant disorder, reading disorder, rumination disorder, selective mutism, separation anxiety disorder, social pragmatic communication disorder, stereotypic movement disorder, stuttering, tortoise disorder, transient tic disorder. Role of nursing: to fulfill psychological needs of children. Nurses has been doing vital role through various nursing healthcare services. First, pediatric nursing services, then pediatric psychiatry services, next family health nursing services. This picture. Psychological services including psychological input is available for many family members, psychological intervention to help overcoming fears and phobias, psychological intervention to difficult behaviors, thought, emotions or mood, providing emotional support, provides bereavement support. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.